Ibn Ziyad from the US.
Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah, Sheikh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
I had a question about a man who's physically capable and has the strength, who wants to pray sitting or lying down. Does he have to do ruku or standing up and sujood like on the floor, or can he do the ruku and sujood like by lowering his head lower?
Is he capable of standing up?
Yeah, he's capable of standing up.
Okay. First of all, it is not permissible for a person who's capable of standing up to pray fard prayers, the 5 fard prayers, sitting down. His prayer is invalid. 0. Why? Because one of the first pillars of prayer is to stand up when you're able in fard prayer. So if you're able to stand up and you say, nope, I'll take a rain check, I'm going to sit down, your prayer is invalid. There's no dispute in that. Point number 2, if this is a voluntary prayer, then you have the option either to pray it standing up and being accredited for the full reward, or pray sitting down and you'll have half of the reward of a person standing up. So I wake up for night prayer, for tahajjud. I'm too old, I'm too lazy, I'm this. I just sit down and pray sitting down. No problem. My prayer is valid. It's voluntary prayer. It's not fard. But I have half of the reward because I'm capable of standing up. Lying down, this is totally unacceptable. Whether you are capable of standing or not, as long as you're capable of sitting. If you're unable to stand up, nor to sit down, then you go to stage 3, which is lying down. How does a person sitting down prostrate? Like normal people, you prostrate on the ground. How do they make ruku'? You have an option, one of two, either to stand up and make ruku', like the Prophet used to do, alayhi salatu wasalam, or to lean down a bit forward like this while sitting down on the floor, Sami Allahu liman hamid, and then you go for your prostration. As for the person lying down, it depends on his condition. So likewise, if he's lying on his back with his feet towards the Qibla, and this is a response to those when they see people sitting in the masjid, extending their feet towards the Qibla, say, oh, haram, haram, haram. This is not true. This is totally bogus. The jurors said that those who cannot stand or sit, or they're lying down praying, they should lie down with their feet towards the Qibla. Where is the haram in that? There's no problem in it. There's no disrespect in it. So they make ruku' and sujood according to the best of their ability and how they are seated or lying down, and Allah knows best. And have you ever taken a counseling session with me? Go to my website and you will find counseling sessions and apply for one. If you can afford it, that's good for you. If you cannot, you're entitled for one free session. And this is for everybody. If they can affirm by Allah that they cannot afford it because they're poor, I'll give them one free session without a problem, a full half an hour. So come to me and let's speak about it, inshallah, within the following 2 days or 3 days. And bi'idhnillah azza wa jal, I will try and seek Allah's guidance to solve your problem once and for all, bi'idhnillah.